Welcome to the setup video of the 1for-all 14432 flat black antenna. This video will explain how to position and set up your new antenna. First, connect the USB cable to the power adapter. After this, connect the power adapter into any standard 120 volts wall outlet. Connect the coaxial cable attached to the power inserter to the antenna-in connector at the back of the TV or set-top box. Position the antenna as high as possible, close to or in a window, and facing the direction of the TV towers for best reception. If you are not sure in which direction your TV towers are, please check channelchecker.com and it will tell you in 3 simple steps. When mounting to a wall, you will have to drill 2 holes in your wall, whereas the distance between the center of the holes should be 140 millimeters. For this video, we will install it lying flat. Now you can perform a channel scan on your TV. Set the tuner mode of the TV to antenna first, then choose channel scan. With other TVs, this may be called auto program, auto tuning, auto scan, or channel search in the setup menu of your TV. If the number of channels or the quality is poor, please change the antenna's position and repeat all steps. You can move the antenna closer to a window or rotate it on its original position. Remember to rescan on your TV whenever you move the antenna. With these few simple steps, you have just installed the 1for-all 14432 flat black antenna. Happy viewing!